Good day, loyal customers. Welcome to Babs Vlog. This is the Decakila steam iron KEEN001W. It has a wattage of 2400 watts with voltage of 220 to 240 volts. The steam plate rate or the steam rate is 30 grams per minute. It comes with Teflon sole plate and a water tank capacity of 210 millimeter. It features an adjustable temperature control with a motor of 2400 watt. As you can see, that's the look of the item. So the Teflon sole plate ensures you don't get sticky, it doesn't stick or it doesn't burn clothes. So guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more content.